Hello, this is Tyagarajan. Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to use eye-catching animated cursors for your presentation or online classes like this? This is the arrow cursor. You see the hand cursor. This is the edit cursor. See, if you have only simple black cursors, it will not be visible many times. You can increase the size of the cursor, but still the listeners will not be able to locate that cursor. This video will help you to make your mouse pointer easier to see in your presentation. When you are presenting or streaming the content of a PPT or a web page, many times the listeners will not be able to see the cursor movement properly. Before they locate the cursor, it may be moved by the presenter to another position. Specifically, this will happen when a presenter explains or browses a web page. To get the attention of the listeners and make them to locate quickly, you can use animated cursors. Many pre-designed cursors are available at free of cost. In this video, I am going to introduce how to download such cursors and how to install in your laptop. The link to download such cursors is given in the description thanks to real world graphics. So this video will make your mouse pointer easier to see in your presentation because these are animated cursors. Clicking on the link given in the description will take you to this web page, that is realworlddesigner.com. They have provided many free resources. They have also provided many softwares. All are free. If you want to create your own cursor, then you can download this real world cursor editor and you can create your own cursor or mouse pointer. But many contributors have created their own cursors and they have provided those things for free usage. But before downloading and using the cursors, you should know the type of license they have provided. Anyway, here free icons and cursors are provided. You go to download cursors, click on that. It is going to this page. You see licenses, click on this. So there are different types of licenses provided by different contributors. If the cursors have been released under public domain license, then you are free to use that work for any legal purpose. If they have been released under Creative Commons attribution, then you must link to the original source and you should acknowledge it. If the cursors are available under Creative Commons non-commercial license, then you are free to share. That means you can copy, distribute and transmit the work, but you may not use that work for commercial purposes. If the cursors have been released under Creative Commons attribution and non-commercial, then you can copy, distribute and transmit the work, but you have to acknowledge it and you should use it for non-commercial purpose. If they have been released under Creative Commons attribution and share alike, you have to provide a link to their work and you should acknowledge, but at the same time you can copy, distribute and transmit the work, but your new work should also be released with a similar or compatible license. Now let us download some cursors and use them for our purposes. You go to the gallery page, click on this. We are in the gallery page already. We have seen the licenses. Now you come to this menu, you click on this cursors. All the cursors available will be shown here. If you want to use a cursor similar to the one I am using, just type diamond cursor. This is the name given by the author and press search button. The cursor I am using in this presentation is shown here. You just click on this. It will bring all the cursors created by that author. So this is the author name. Actually, I have used this one, Night Diamond PC. You just download this cursor and install it in your laptop. Now let us download all the cursors we require. So click on this. It is downloading. It is completed. Now I want to download this cursor also. That is Night Diamond Precision Select. Click on that. It is downloaded. Now go to the previous page. I need some hand cursors. So search for that. Hand animated cursors. Search it. Here you are provided with many hand cursors. You choose which one you want. Actually, I need this one. Just click here to download. Yes, it has been downloaded. Then I need this hand cursor that is also being downloaded. Yes, it has been completed. Then I need this hand cursor also. If you need any other cursor, you can download from here. You download all the cursors you need and go to the top right corner of the browser window. Click on these three dots and go to downloads page and click this one, show in folder. So all the downloaded cursors will be available here. You just copy these cursors and create a new folder. I have created a folder called custom cursors. You can give any name. Click on that and paste all your downloaded cursors. So I have copied already. So all the cursors are available in this folder. Now just copy this folder, go to settings page in your computer, click here, then click on devices. Now choose mouse. You click additional mouse options. So a window will be opened like this. You choose pointers. You will be able to see all the cursors currently available. You go to this browse and paste the folder you already copied. Right click and paste. Anyway, already I have pasted those cursors. Close it. If you want to change any default cursor to the new one, for example, you take this normal select cursor. Now this is my cursor. You select this, go to browse, then choose your folder, custom cursor. Then you choose the cursor you want to use. I want to use this one. Open, then apply. If you press apply, now you see my cursor has been changed. Similarly, you can change the remaining cursors also. Precision select. We have already downloaded one cursor for this. Select this one. Click on browse. You choose this one. Precision select. Open it. It is shown here. Similarly, for text select, choose that particular cursor. Go to your custom cursors. Then select any one. That is, I want to select this beam glow. Then for this vertical resize cursor, select this one. Go here. I think I can select this one. Similarly, for indicating move, select that one. Browse. Here I have downloaded one move cursor. I will choose that one. Open. So like that, you can also choose for hand. Select this hand. Which hand we need? This one. Select that and open it. Now that cursor appears here. Now we have changed the default cursors to the new cursors. Just press apply button. Now you can save all these new cursors under a scheme. For that, you press this save as button. Give a name for this scheme. I am giving it as KKT and save it. So whenever you need a scheme, you can choose from this list. Already Windows has provided many schemes and our new cursor group has also been saved in this list. You can choose any predefined scheme. For example, if you need big cursors, you can choose magnified. Then press apply button. Now the cursor size has been changed. Then you choose Windows black extra large. If you choose the second one and press apply, you see the cursor has changed. So you can choose any scheme. Now I will choose our scheme and press apply. You see the cursors have been changed. Then finally press OK. You can also change the size of the cursor. For that, you go to this setting, adjust mouse and cursor size. You change the cursor to 5 or even 6. Now my scheme is different. I want to choose the scheme created by us. Go to additional mouse setting, then press additional mouse options. Again, you will get this window. Select pointers tab. The scheme is none. That means the default scheme has been selected. You choose KKT and apply and press apply button. Click OK. Now you see the cursor size is big. Anyway, I don't want to have this much big size cursor. I want to reduce it again. So go to adjust mouse and cursor size. I reduce it to 3. The maximum size is 15. You reduce it to 3, then go to this one, choose additional mouse option, then choose pointers, choose our scale, then press apply button, press OK button. Now this is sufficient for us. So now you will be getting only the new cursors. You see here the cursors have been changed. So this one for text editing, this is the cursor I have chosen. If this video is useful, please share with your friends. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please press subscribe button and also click on the bell icon and choose the option all. You also press the like button.